Hello students, welcome to Substance classes. Today we will be solving the Electronics and Communication Engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We will be solving the engineering mathematics portion. So we will begin with question number 3. In question number 3, let f of xy with the function ax square plus by square upon xy. This is the function f of xy, where a and b are constants. Now if dy by del y by del x is equal to del f by del y at x equal to 1 and y equal to 0, y equal to 2, then the relationship between a and b is option A is equal to b by 4, option B, a is equal to b by 2, option C, a is equal to twice of b, and option D, a is equal to 4b. So these are the 4 options. So what one correction that has to be done over here is that here it has been given that del y by del x. This is not del y by del x, rather it is del f by del x is equal to del f by del y at x equal to 1, y equal to 2. This is the correction to be done. Correction. So having said all these things, let's proceed. Now f of xy is given as ax square plus by square upon xy. So what we need to do, we need to find out del f upon del x and del f by del y for this function. So we've been given that f is equal to f of xy is equal to ax square plus by square upon xy. So that implies that del f by del x will be given by a by y minus by by x square. Similarly, del f by del y will give us minus ax by y square plus b by x. So now these two are equal. This implies a by y minus by by x square is equal to minus ax by y square plus b by x. Now we know that this is equal only when xy is equal to 1 comma 2. So this will give us that a by 2 minus 2b by 1 is equal to a by minus a by 4 plus b. So this will give us 3a by 4 is equal to 3 of b, and that will give us that a is equal to 4b, which is the option D. So today we have solved question number 3 from the engineering mathematics portion of GATE EC paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Substance classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.